Hey Tech Fam, BTM here. Now, I bought a lot of products from MacBid's, so I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. In this video, I'm going to give you my top 10 tips to save you money and frustration while bidding on MacBid. And stick around until the end because my number one tip is truly a game changer. Counting down, tip number 10, set a budget and stick to it. It's so easy to get carried away when you're bidding on a product, so it's important that you set a budget and stick to it. This will help you avoid overspending and getting into debt. Tip number 9, use the auto bid feature. The auto bid feature allows you to set a maximum bid for a product, and MacBid will automatically bid on your behalf up to that amount. This is a great way to save time and ensure that you don't miss out on a good deal. Tip number 8, do your research. Before you bid on any products, compare prices from different retailers like Amazon, Target, Best Buy. This will help you to make sure that you're getting the best deal possible because they will inflate those prices. Tip number 7, be patient. Now, it may take some time to win a bid on a product, so be patient. Don't get discouraged if you don't win the first time. Just keep bidding. The product that you're interested in, it will eventually come back and you will be victorious. Tip number 6, before you place a bid, be sure to read the product's description and conditions carefully. Look at any damages or defects. Make sure that they are acceptable to you and also that their product can be transferred or picked up by you. Tip number 5, place your initial bid but wait until the last 5 minutes to bid because this will help you to avoid getting into a bidding war and overpaying for the product. Tip number 4, use a credit card instead of your debit card because this will afford you more protection if you have problems and want a refund. Tip number 3, set an alarm to remind you. Many times you'll lose a bid by $1 because you forgot to bid. So set an alarm and this will help you to avoid this frustration. Tip number 2, use keywords to get notified when a product that you're looking for is available. This is a great way to stay ahead of the competition and to get the best deals on a product that you want. And my most favorite, best, game-changing tip is always check your product before you leave the store. If you didn't purchase the insurance, you can refuse the product if it's damaged beyond what they say or if it is not as described. This has saved me a lot of money and frustration in the past. So take the time if you can to check that product out to make sure that it's what you wanted and what you ordered and what you're paying for. Now here's a bonus tip. Become a member. Why? Because this will give you access to more items. It will give you earlier access up to 2 hours earlier and even later access as far as your checking out. It will give you more time to pick up your items by placing them on hold, and you have unlimited transfers. And they will even give you 5 MacBucks every 3 months. That's right, a whole $5. But at any rate, it's better than nothing. So, thanks for watching this video on the 10 tips on how to use MacBid. If you have any questions or tips or comments, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out my other video on MacBid up there somewhere.